Hey health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into why watermelon should be your new health hero. This juicy fruit isn't just a summer treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can elevate your wellness game. First off, hydration. Watermelon is composed of over 90% water, making it a perfect snack to keep you hydrated, especially after a workout. Staying hydrated helps with muscle recovery and keeps your skin looking vibrant. But there's more. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is essential for eye health and maintaining a strong immune system, while vitamin C boosts your immunity and promotes healthy skin by aiding collagen production. So, munching on watermelon can actually help you glow from the inside out. Let's talk about heart health. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. This means your heart gets some extra love with every bite. And guess what? Watermelon is also loaded with antioxidants like lycopene, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene has been linked to reducing the risk of certain cancers and improving cardiovascular health. Pretty impressive, right? If you're watching your weight, watermelon is your friend. It's low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a guilt-free snack that satisfies your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a watermelon. Your body will thank you for it. Whether you're eating it fresh, adding it to salads, or blending it into smoothies, this superfruit is versatile and delicious. Remember, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and let watermelon be your health hero. Catch you in the next video.